Ngolesine lomkhuleko sanibonani. Just an insight before we leave, before we start the day. It takes courage to be honest with the Creator, to be honest with the universe, to be honest with the higher powers. It takes courage to be honest with your prayers, to be honest with your desires, to be honest with your witnesses, to be honest about impilo yakho, everything that has to do with you. It will take courage for you to open up and really honestly say the things ezikuwe. I think sometimes siba very high level in our prayers, high level in our desires or in our dream, ngamaphupho wethu ngaloko esikufisayo ukubona ngempilo zethu. And I just would like to encourage you to be honest and really put out the things that are in your heart, that are in your soul, exactly as they are. The things that are concerning you, the things that are worrying you, whatever that essentially that you feel, because sometimes we feel guilty ukuthi ngicela kakhulu noma I lament a lot, but it is important sometimes to just be honest with the Creator, with God consciousness, with God, with Christ. It is important with the universe. It is important to say I am tired. It is important to say this is what I want. This is what I need. It takes so much courage to be honest with exactly what is in our souls. And also this thinking that sometimes, that all the time we will be encouraged by other people. It is also important to be your own self-motivator, to be the person that will encourage you. Ngoba in truth and honesty, sometimes people don't have the capacity to do that. Sometimes people don't have the capacity to hold space for us. So it is also equally important that I am able to motivate myself. I am able to pick myself up. I am able to pull myself up out of darkness, out of sadness, out of situations where people are unable to hold space for me, not because they don't want to, but because they are